Political reaction on this, the current political situation in Goa, what is happening?
With regards to which
Regards to the dropping of the minister.
see what were the reasons, what is the contention. I think he was a very good performing minister. He is also a kalakar, he is also an athlete, he is part of that entire ecosystem. Ultimately the decision is of the chief minister. We are nobody to comment on why he has done it, but I think we have to also understand who is the next person that is going to be coming in place of the current minister. I think he has done a good job over the last so many years. He has been the minister of art and culture and sports. आणि आमकांय म्हापशेकारांक म्हणून जायतो आदार दिलेलो आहा तेणें आनी आय थिंक ही हॅज डन जस्टीस to the department over the last so many years. So ultimately, yeah, like I said, I am nobody to comment over the decision of the chief minister. For whatever reasons he has done it, it is his decision.
Thank you.